Hello everyone, I'm Jane and I'm thrilled to share something truly remarkable with you today. The Divine Prayer, powerful 1-minute prayer with infinite blessings. Stick with me until the end of this video because I'm going to unveil how this 1-minute practice can revolutionize your life. Let me tell you, I was once where many of you might be right now, struggling with various aspects of life, feeling stuck and searching for a way to manifest positive changes. I scoured the internet for solutions, and that's when I stumbled upon the Divine Prayer. You can check authentic link to Divine Prayer in my description box, dear. Delving into the realm of personal transformation and spiritual growth. Father Benjamin's The Divine Prayer Program has emerged as a beacon of hope for many, including me seeking a quick path to abundance and success. At the heart of this program lies the promise of manifesting one's deepest desires through a concise 1-minute prayer, drawing upon ancient biblical teachings and the power of positive affirmations. Yet the simplicity of this promise has stirred a whirlwind of debate regarding its efficacy, with a spectrum of testimonials painting a picture of both enlightenment and dissatisfaction. The crux of the controversy lies in whether a mere 60 seconds of prayer can truly unlock the doors to wealth, peace, and prosperity. Let me now shed light on this matter, providing an unbiased review of the Divine Prayer Program. In the spirit of objectivity, we will dissect the various components of the program, scrutinize the underlying principles it espouses, and weigh the claims of its proponents against the experiences of its users. This Divine Prayer has been an absolute transformative breakthrough for me. Really, I feel so blessed with my current life and happy to think of that all those worse conditions of mine I faced in past were completely erased. It's helped me overcome financial hurdles, find deep fulfillment in relationships, and most importantly, rediscover a sense of self-worth and confidence. Now, I'm not promising you'll become an overnight millionaire, but I can assure you that you'll experience a profound shift in your reality. Within the realm of personal development and spiritual practices, the intertwining of prayer and positive thinking emerges as a prominent strategy for those seeking to manifest abundance in their lives. Prayer, in this context, is more than a religious ritual. It is a focused intention, a heartfelt plea to a higher power for assistance in achieving one's desires. Positive thinking complements this by fostering a mindset of optimism and expectancy, which can significantly influence one's ability to manifest goals. The Divine Prayer Program, for instance, integrates these elements by emphasizing the importance of faith and spirituality. This approach suggests that belief in a higher power, coupled with a positive outlook, can create a potent vibrational match for the abundance one seeks. The program posits that faith amplifies the efficacy of prayer, turning hopeful thoughts into a resonant frequency that aligns with the object of one's desires. I've left a link in the description below to the official website where you can learn more about the Divine Prayer and its transformative effects. And here's the best part, it comes with a money-back guarantee, so there's absolutely no risk in giving it a try. Imagine waking up each day with a renewed sense of purpose and the ability to manifest your deepest desires effortlessly. That's the power of the Divine Prayer. If you're feeling stuck or seeking a change in your life, I wholeheartedly recommend giving this program a chance. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope this message resonates with you, and I look forward to seeing you on the journey to transformation. Until next time, take care and bye for now.